What's up, guys? I'm Clint Carter. Today we're going to talk about expandable carry-on bags. So the bags here have a very cool feature, and that is that they get bigger. So if you pack them before you leave, and in your travels you pick up some souvenirs, or maybe your organizational system breaks down and you need more space, you just unzip and they sort of accordion open and you have more space. So let's get started. First bag here is the Incase EO Travel Backpack. To expand it, you simply pull the zipper that runs around, and it goes from a 24-liter bag to a 32.5-liter bag. So you get more than 30% more space for your return trip if you need it. Then you open up the main compartment, and you've got a clamshell-style storage system here where you can put all your clothes, any spare layers that you need. And then you open up this last pocket here, and you've got laptop storage. And this is a fleece-lined pocket here, so it's really good for people that actually do need to carry their laptops regularly. The next bag we have is the Timbuktu Never Check Expandable Backpack. Now, like the Incase EO bag, this is a 24-liter bag, so same size to begin with, but when you expand it, you add probably 6 liters, I would say. It doesn't get quite as big as the Incase bag, but it does have a little bit of extra space in there. It does have a computer storage here, so you can put your laptop in there. It's not fleece-lined like the Incase bag, but there's good padding, so you don't have to worry about things getting banged up. In the front compartment, you got all kinds of little storage pockets there for your chargers, your headphones, anything that you want to put in there. So really good storage solution. In the main compartment, it's kind of a little bit more like a standard backpack style than what you would expect in most travel bags. So ultimately, I really dig this bag. I'd say it's probably better if you're checking a bag too as your backup carry-on bag. All right, moving on to bigger bags. This one's from the Standard Luggage Co., and I really like the clean design on this one. It's a 35-liter bag, but when you expand it, it goes to 45 liters. So you have a lot of space in this one. Now, the bag has backpack straps that hide away so that if you want to use it as a duffel bag, which makes it easier to load into the overhead bin, you can. And then if you want to wear it like a backpack, you just pull the straps out and plug them in at the bottom. Now, a feature that some users are going to like more than others is that when you open it up, you'll see that you've got really thick padding all around this bag. And I mean, that's great for keeping your stuff safe, but keep in mind it also kind of eats into your storage space a little bit. I mean, when you look at this computer case, you think this is pretty cool, but at the same time, that's a lot of space used for a computer bag, and do I really need it? I don't know. Some people will, some people won't. I really like the straps in here though, because that helps keep everything nice and organized. Another product that Standard Luggage Company sells separately, but I really dig them, is these packing cubes that all kind of link together. So you pack in all your clothing items, and when you get to your destination, just kind of hang it there like a floating dresser in your hotel room. So that's awesome. Another packing cube they have is called the Packing Cube Backpack, and you know, you can essentially wear it like a backpack at your destination. And this thing doesn't look too terrible, I don't think. Does it look like I have a packing cube on my back? I think it works. Ultimately, I think this is probably the best bag up here for longer trips. It still fits in the overhead bin. It's still a carry-on bag, but it expands up to 45 liters, and that gets a lot of stuff in there. So if you're going on a trip for about a week or something like that, this bag is really going to come in handy. All right, so the final bag here is the Eagle Creek Gear Warrior 45-liter bag. When you expand this bag, you see you add a lot of space, and that gets you up to that 45 liters. What I like about this bag is that there's just really not a lot of frills on it. Now, sometimes that can be a drawback if you're traveling for work and you need to have a lot of stuff organized. But if you're traveling to go camping or bike riding or hiking, sometimes you just need a big open space to throw in a lot of gear, and that's what this bag gives you. This ripstop material here is going to be really tough when you're throwing this bag around. And the only real organizational compartments you have are small zipper at the top and small pocket here at the bottom. So you can put some small things in there. Everything else goes on the inside. This bag doesn't even have a computer pocket, but maybe that's a good thing. Maybe we should be traveling to more places where we don't have our work with us. All told, I would absolutely choose this bag if I were going to go on an adventure travel vacation. So there you have it. There are 4 very different bags, but every one of them has that really awesome expandable function. Now, that's critical when you want to bring home more stuff than you left with.